The weather moved west, the fuel spike moved in, and if you haven't looked at your transport numbers since last week, they're already wrong. Let's start with fuel because something moved significantly this week that I don't think most shippers have really caught yet. The Great Lakes region, actually where I'm at right now, Michigan, Indiana, Iowa, Minnesota, even Kansas, Missouri, their average diesel fuel prices right now are hovering right around $5.74 a gallon, which is up around 12% in just 1 week. And it really didn't have to do with the Iran situation. It was a domestic refinery issue that happened in the Midwest. These carriers are going to need a little bit more money to complete this trek. At a dealership level, you might be dealing with some delays, missed pickups, constraint, and uncertainty around some of your transports. We're in one of those situations now where you're low rate and trying to save a couple bucks to give a transporter isn't going to ultimately help you. There's such a demand coming out, especially like the Florida, Georgia corridor. It's the highest price loads that are the ones that are going to move. And carriers with these high fuel prices are going to need to stay profitable. And the demand's high. If I can give you any recommendations on what to watch this week, there's really three things to pay attention to. One, anything through the Midwest or Great Lakes, your old benchmarks really don't apply anymore. Number two, if you're buying units out of that mountain region, or even if you're a dealership in that mountain region expecting vehicles, quite a few active winter storms here to start off May. So if you're expecting some quick deliveries or some quick units to get out, maybe rethink that a little bit because we are dealing with some issues there in the mountain region. And then number three, if you do have some sourcing flexibility, the mid-Atlantic region, I would say, is your best bet if you're buying from auctions to get vehicles out of. Pennsylvania, New York, Connecticut, Maryland, we have some customers that are having some great success in those areas. That's probably our cleanest corridor at the moment. Bottom line, if you're still using last week's or last month's numbers, you're already behind. Check your lanes, price against what's happening right now currently, and don't let a cheap rate cost you twice by letting these vehicles sit.